Let's create a new bucket. Hosting, give any name. Hosting AWS static web 2021. In the Mumbai region, I'm creating this bucket. I need to disable the public access, private access. So I need to make my bucket public, acknowledge, and other things, let it be. So I have created a public bucket. You can see here. If I go here, I need to upload my document. I need to upload my file here. So what is my file? Index.html. I'm uploading that file here, and that file should be public again. Make that file public and upload. If you click on the object and copy the URL, you can see the content of that file. This is the content of the file. This is not actual website. If I want to make this website, if I want to change this host anything on web over the internet, go to the property of the bucket, go to the property of the bucket, scroll down, you will see static website hosting. It's right now disabled. If I click here and enable it, and here you have to pass the file name on which your website is hosted. So index.html, and just save. Okay, now I have hosted a website, static website, and now this is the URL. This is the URL of my website. If I just click this, you can see my website, and it will be up and running until you stop this property. Nowadays, it's very simple to get a website templates available in the net. Free CSS. Okay, there are so many websites from where you can download the templates. Right now, I think this is a good website which will give you a very simple. Let's go this Uber something. I need a very simple, not that much techy for you to understand. Ola, Uber, something. Yes. Now I have downloaded a sample template. If I open the index.html, you can see the website is hosted. Right now it's in local. There are some marking. Click on home, click on about page, click on contact. Things are browsing, about, taxi, booking, contact. So anybody can host a website using this template. What I have to do, just I have to go here. I have to just right click and edit some information. Just like here, instead of this title, I can write our AWS web host. Then home button, these buttons are good. Book now, here I can enter a number, give any Indian number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Book a taxi to your destination town. What I want to change here, number is good. I have changed Olex, OLO, Olex, okay, I have changed. Everybody can travel, the partner, search, book now, city, destination. Again, change the number here. Email ID, car number 1 2 3 4. All these things seems good. You can see the name also, title here, AWS web host, ride with AWS. And if you go to the folders, there are images here. You can see all the images which are hosted on your website. You You can integrate your links, whatever the link you want. You can give the here Facebook link, or all the details you can include if you know how the websites are designed. So this is a simple template. I just have to copy this to my S3 bucket again. Now I don't want this page. I need to host this website. So this is the files, all the templates file. I will go to my AWS S3 bucket. I will remove previous index.html and delete. This is my static page. The content is not going to change. Now I just have to upload the whole content of that template, make it public, yes, and save. What is the main page? Name of the file of main page, index.html. Same name should be there in my bucket property of S3 hosting. Enable index.html. Same name should be there. So now if I scroll down, static website, and click on this, previously it was hosting this, now the content has been changed to this, and you can see the URL. Anybody can access your website. This is called hosting a static website on S3 bucket. You can choose any of the templates. There are so many templates available in the market. You can download any of the templates and upload in your website, for a website. They are free for use. You just have to update this content. If right now I want to host a website for let's go to AWS. I have another website. Template website is saved for me. Yeah, this is a website I used previously. So what I have to do, I have to delete the previous all the files. And upload the new one, new template. This is how in the real world, whenever the design of the website change or the GUI change, they change these files. Now I just have to refresh my website. Now it's a Spiso. The URL is same, just I have changed the content of my website.